So if you just do the opposite of what most people do in the crypto DeFi space, you'll come out ahead. These last few weeks, we jumped on scooping up opportunities. Let me know in the comments if you've heard me talk about this, but just confirm you get this. When the markets are green, we take profit, we stack it in stable. I choose to lend it. And when the markets go red, and just so you know, the last few weeks was nothing. We'll see 40% pullbacks in even the most bullish markets. A lot of people sell, a lot of people quit, a lot of people lock in their losses. But if you follow the simple formula, you just deploy those profits back in the market and you do it aggressively. So we definitely took advantage of things. Beefy is now starting to show more realistic yields. It's still a little elevated because of volumes, but as of right now, it's well over a six-figure income just on Beefy. Again, it's auto compounding, and there's a few different strategies you can do here. I would like to get this to 100K deposited because I am taking profit. It's been $37,000 over the last week just in the buy and hold portfolio. When markets are green, I take profit. I'd like to take some more profits, maybe scrub 15% of that or 50% of that by the end of the week, move 15, 20 grand onto Beefy, get this thing to 100K and easily be doing 10 grand a month by then. And most of my position here is in a Bitcoin pool. I do have some OVN in here. That's just been growing like crazy. I think we started with 3 grand in OVN. And at one point we were on XtraFi in a leveraged long position when OVN took off, and that 3 grand was worth over 25 grand. So we're riding on house money on OVN, USDC a little bit in here just because I had some Matic sitting around. And ARB is basically just being collected right now from the fees that this pool is earning. As you can see, I'm earning more rewards in ARB on top of the rewards that are being earned on this now. So about $2,000 yield generated over the last week or so, 10 days or so, and doing now around $300 per day. But I want to show you something. Have a look at the difference in yield. You've got, Beefy over here, which is hands off, doing its thing. Again, small portion of my overall portfolio, and I do have buy and hold, and I do hold Bitcoin for the long term, which is 50% of my buy and hold portfolio. And I do have some other stuff. As you can see, 102 grand deployed across multiple platforms, Beefy being one of them, but I also do I still have some Lent. I still have some stuff making me lower yield, except I'm sitting on stablecoin. And then Tangent is also a buy and hold kind of portfolio for everything that Ledger doesn't accept. Why am I bringing all this up? To show you that A, it's possible. 2, even if you start with a smaller amount, if you stay in this game, if you don't make drastic moves, if you don't make massive emotional moves and sell and lock in losses, rule number 1, never lose money. When things see a massive pullback, you just add more. And if you say, Lucas, I don't have any to add more, it tells me that you haven't been taking profit in the green market. We built the UIG for one purpose. When new members join us in the UIG, we're always like, hey, remove yourself from every free group, every Discord, every free YouTube channel, because it's all fear-mongering. Shut out the noise and focus. Michael here says, so again, we typically do the opposite of what most people in the markets are doing. They're like panicking, selling, it's just FOMO. It's just they're fear-mongering. And we do the opposite. When there's blood in the streets, we enter. When things are green, we take profit and we get ready to reposition ourselves in the markets, rinse and repeat. Look like Michael here completed Quest 4. He's doing about 2K a month returns on 7K. And I know he's using VFAT a lot, which is a platform that we've been really, really playing with. You can kind of set up auto rebalancing, auto compounding, auto kind of harvesting, so to speak. And we've been playing with this. Yields from 318% up to 2,000% yields, depending how tight you set your ranges. I'm now playing with another portfolio here with a bit wider ranges, and I'm really taking advantage of a lot of ETH positions here. So, just depends how you want to play this game. But all I'm getting at is if you play this game strategically and you take small steps in the right direction and you make consistent wins and you don't lock in losses, if I hear one more person say, oh my God, my portfolio is down, I'm freaking out. It's like your portfolio, it's always going to fluctuate. There's no way around it. But you don't sell when you're down. As long as you're holding assets that have fundamental, there's value in it and the fundamentals are strong and that you're going to hold long term, you're going to be okay. and you take profits when the markets are green. And when the markets go red, you just redeploy, rinse, and repeat. And that's how you start building portfolios like this. That's how you start building bull run bags like this and lock it in 36 grand and being able to take half of that as profit and pay for life or do whatever you want with it. I really hope this is landing. I'm so passionate about this, but 99% of the crap you see on YouTube is all noise. By the way, we have a podcast/audio experience coming out. Would love for you to request it below. Give us another week and we will be releasing it. It's just 5 minutes a day and it'll just center you, it'll ground you, and it'll just keep you on the non-emotional, logical, long-term path. Let me know if you do want access to that below. That said, I'm going to get out of here. I hope this video inspired you. And if we can serve you in any other way, do let us know. I'm going to leave 4 videos on the 4 corners of your screen after you've liked this video and subscribed to this channel. Then dig into the other videos and dive in, study up. With that said, I'll see you on YouTube or in the UIG. Come join us. Peace.